students, in chapter number 1, large number, you have already learned about Roman numerals. The basic symbol used in Hindu Arabic and Roman numeral are given below. Okay students, just take out your notebook and textbook and let us solve exercise 1.3 which is on page number 20. Question number 1. Write the following numbers in Roman numerals. A. 50. Okay, if you see our chart, in our chart we write down this 15 Roman number as a L. So your answer is L. 1000 we write down as a M. For 1 we write down I. So our answer is I. Come on students, write down the answer for 5 in Roman. How we write down this 5 in Roman? V. Very good. Okay, come on, tell the answer of 100. So your answer for 100 is C. 500. So the value for 500 in Roman is D. Let us solve question number 2. Write the following numbers in Roman numerals. First one, 21. Now this 21 will write down in expanded form, which is as a 20 plus 1. Now students, if you see 20 is not our basic symbol. So this 20 will split it into our basic symbol as it become as a 10 plus 10 become 20. And this one as 21. So the basic symbol for 10 is X. Here 10 is as a X and this 1 as a I. So 21 we write down in Roman as a 10, 10 become 20 and 1, 21. The next one is 50. Okay, 50 is already our basic symbol. So this 50 we write down as a L. The next is 30. Now again 30 is not our basic symbol. So we'll split it into our basic symbol. So 30 we write down as a 10 plus 10 plus 10. So the symbol for 10 is X, X, X. X, X, X become our 30. Like 10 plus 10 plus 10, 30. Okay. Next one, D. Student, this 66 we have written first in expanded form as a 60 plus 6. Now again if you see 60 is not our basic symbol. So this 60 will convert it into basic symbol. So we have written as a 50 plus 10 becomes 60. Now 50 is our basic symbol, 10 is also our basic symbol. And 50 plus 10 becomes 60 and this 6 as usual. So the value for this 50 is L, the value for 10 is X and the value for 6 is 5 plus 1 become 6. So 66 is written in Roman numeral as a L, X, V and I. Okay students, do you understood how we are doing this? What we are doing here? We are writing first in expanded form. If it is not given in the symbol form, basic symbol, we convert it into basic symbol and then we write down the answer. Okay, the next one is 70. Now this 70 again we are going to split as a 50 plus 20. Now 50 is our basic symbol and 20 is not our basic symbol. So this 20 we have converted into basic symbol as a 10 plus 10. So the value of 10 is here X and here X. So we write down answer as a L, which is 50 plus 10 becomes 60 plus 10 becomes 70. Okay, the next one is 79. Now again what we are doing student here? We are writing in expanded form, which is 70 plus 9, 79. Now again this 70 we are splitting into simple form, which is 50 plus 20 and this 9 as usual. So this 50 is our basic symbol but 20 is not the basic symbol. This 20 we have written as a 10 plus 10. So now we have got this all basic symbol here. So we'll write down the answer. So the value for 50 is L, then the 10 here X, 10 as a X and this 9 as a 1 I, X become our 9. Next one, 80. 80 we are going to write down as a 50 plus 30 and that 30 we are going to split it as a 10 plus 10 plus 10. So now 50 is our basic symbol, this 310 is also basic symbol. So directly we will write down the answer as 50 as a L, X, X, X. So the value of 20 in Roman numeral is L, X, X, xx. Okay, the next one is 85. So this 85 we are writing in expanded form as a 80 plus 5, 85. Again this 80 we are going to convert it as a 50 plus 10 become 80, and this 5. Now this all we have written in a, like a basic symbols. So now the answer for 50 is L. The value of 10 is x, the next value of 10 is x, the next value of 10 is x, and the next 5 is v. So answer for 85. So this 85 we write in Roman numeral as a L, which is 50, 60, 70, 80, and 5 become our 85. Okay student, let's start with I. Here the I is given 90. Now 90 is not our basic symbol, so we'll convert it this 90 as a 100 minus 10. 100 minus 10 is 90. See here, when we are subtracting, that means the smaller number we take as the first symbol and the bigger number we take afterward. So this 10, the value for 10 which is x, we write down first, and the value for 100 which is c, we write down afterward. So this 90 we are writing in Roman numeral as a xc. J, 100. Now 100 is already our basic symbol, so the value for 100 in Roman is C. Next one, 99. Now this 99 we are going to first convert it into expanded form. We write down this 99 as a 90 plus 9, and the value for 90 is, just now we have seen in I, 99 we are converted into as a 100 minus 10. 100 minus 10 plus 9. Now 100 minus 10, first we write down C x here, then C, and 9 we have written as a I x. So 99 writing in Roman numeral is xc I x. xc is 100 minus 10 which is 90, and this is 9. 99. Next one, 500. Now 500 is our basic symbol, and we write down this 500 in Roman numeral as D. Next one, 800. Now student, this 800 will split it in expanded form. We'll write down this as a 500 plus 300. 500 plus 300 become 800. Now this 500 is the basic symbol, and 300 will split it into the simple way depend on our basic symbol. So we'll write down this, the value for 500 is D, and the value for 300 we write down 3 times 100. So C, C, C become 300. So 800 can be written in Roman numeral as a D, C, C, C. D means 500 and 300. 500 and 300 become 800. Next one, 293. We have written this in expanded form, 200 plus 90 plus 3. Now 200 we are going to write down as a 100 plus 100 which is C, C. 90 we are going to write down as a 100 minus 10, and 3 we write down as a I. So 293 can be written in Roman numeral as a CC XC I, means 293. Next one is 528. We have written 528 in expanded form as a 500 plus 20 plus 8. 500 is basic symbol, so the value for 500 is D. 20 is not basic symbol, so we'll split it as a 10 plus 10, 20, so we write down as a XX, and 8 we write down as a V I. So 528 can be written in Roman numeral as a D, XX, V, and 3 times I. The next one, 1000. Now 1000 is the basic symbol, and the value for 1000 in Roman is M. Next is 467. We write down in expanded form as a 400 plus 60 plus 7. Now this 400 we cannot write 100 4 times, because the number, the symbol can be repeated only thrice. So in such case what we will do, we'll convert it as a 500 minus 100, because 500 and 100 is basic symbol, and 500 minus 100 become 400. 60 will convert converted as a 50 plus 10, and 7 will write down as a, either we can write down 7 or 5 plus 1 plus 1 2, that's way. So as we have subtracted here, so we'll write down first the value of 100. So the value of 100 in Roman is C, the value for 500 in Roman is D, plus 50 as we have added here. So first we'll write down the value for 50, which is L, then the value of 10, which is X, and 7 we write down as a VII. So we write down 467 as a 400 means CD, 60 means LX, and 7 means VII. 467. Next one, 935. We have written in expanded form as a 900 plus 30 plus 5. Again same 900 we have written as a 1000 minus 100. 30 can be written as a 10 plus 10 plus 10, and 5 we have written as a 5 here. Now as we have subtracted here, so first we'll write down the smaller value, which is 100 we have written as a C, 1000 we have written afterward, which is as a M. So CM become your 1000 minus 100, which is 900. 30 we have written as a 10 10 10, 3 times 30, and V we have written as a for 5. So 935 can be written in Roman numeral as CM, which is 900, XXX 30, and V means 5, 935. Next one, 3679. We have written in expanded form 3000 plus 600 plus 70 plus 9. Now this 3000 we have written as a 1000 plus 1000 plus 1000. 600 we have written as a 500 plus 100. 70 we have written as a 50 plus 20, and 9 we have written as a 9, or we can say as a 10 minus 1. Now in symbolic, in Roman we write down 3000 as 1000 plus 1000 plus 1000 we have written in symbol as a MMM. 500 plus 100. Now 500, the value for 500 in Roman is D, and 100 is C, so we have written here DC. 50 we have written as a L. 20 we have written as a X2 times 10 10 20, and 9 we have written as a IX. So we have written here MMM, which is 3000, 60 here 70, and this is 9. So we have written as a MMM DC LXX IX. Next one, 2941. We have written in expanded form 2000 plus 900 plus 40 plus 1. Now again this 200 is not basic symbol, so we have converted into basic symbol as a 1000 plus 1000 become 200. So we have written 2 times the value of 1000 is MM. Then 900 we have written as a 1000 minus 100. So 1000 minus 100, so we have written first 100 and then 1000, so CM. 40 we have written as a 50 minus 10. So we have written as a 10 first here, and this is 50, so XL. So the value for 40 is XL, and the value for 1 is I. So we have written 2941 in Roman numeral as MM, CM, XL, I, which is 2941. Question number 3. Write the Hindu-Arabic numeral for the following Roman numeral. Now what is given here? Roman numeral is given, and this you have to write down in Hindu-Arabic numeral. Okay student, if you see what is given here in the first one, V, I. Now the value for V is 5 and the value for I is 1, which is taken here 3 times. So 5 plus 3 become how much? 5 plus 3 is 8. So the value for VIII is 8. Okay student. Next is what here? X. VI. The value for X is 10. The value for V is 5 and the value for I is 1. So 10 plus 5, 15. 15 plus 1 become 16. Okay student, next one. What is given here? X. The value for x is 10. 10 plus 10 become 20. So the value for x is in Hindu Arabic numeral we write down as a 20. Come on student, let's tell me what will be the next answer. X is written 3 times, means 10 plus 10 plus 10 become 30. Okay, next one. What is given here? X, which is written here 3 times. 4 times is not, never it is repeated. It is repeated only 3 times. So next is written Ix. So Ix we will take it as a together. So what will write on here? X become here 30 and Ix become here like a 10 minus 1 9. So the answer for X Ix in Hindu Arabic is 39. XL. Now student, if you see the value for X is 10 and the value of L is 50. We never write small value before big value. So here we will do L minus X. So the value for L is 50 and the value for X is 10. So 50 minus 10 become 40. Come on student, next XL Ix. So what is the answer for XL? Just now we have seen the value for XL is 40. So this is 40 and Ix is 9. So answer for XL Ix is 49. Okay student, come on, tell the next one. X. What is the answer of X? The answer for X is 10. Next one. L X V I. The value for L is 50. X is written 2 times, means 10 plus 10 become 20. And V is 5 and this I is written 2 times, means this is 2. So 50 plus 20 becomes 70 and this is 75 and I become 2. So answer is 50 plus 20 which is 70. 70 plus 7 becomes 77. Okay, the next one is XCVII. Now students see here, XC, the value for X is small and the value of C is bigger. So in such case what we do? Big minus small. So the value for C is 100, the value of X is 10. So we do here 100 minus 10 which is 90 and this is V means 5, 95. 95 plus 3 become how much? 98. Okay student, what is the value for C here? What we write down in Hindu Arabic? The value for C is 100. Okay, the next one is CLIX. Okay, IX. Student, you know what is IX here? The value for IX is 9. So we will take this CL together. Now if you see, the value for C is 100 and the value of L is 50. So in such case C is greater than L. So we will add. So 100 plus 50 become 150. 100 plus 50 become 159. Question number 4. Compare the following. Now students, A is given here, CC and here it is CD. Now we have to compare which is greater. Okay, first student, what we will do, we'll write down the value of CC, then value of DD and then we will compare which is greater. Okay, CC, what is the value of C here? 100 and 100 plus 100 become here 200. Okay, if you see here C and D, the value of C is here 100 and the value of D is here 500. C is smaller than D. The value of C is smaller than D. So in this case what we'll do, we will subtract. So 500 minus 100 become 400. So the value of CC is 200 and the value of CD is 500 minus 100 become 400. Now students, if you see here 200 and this is 400. Now which is greater out of this 200 and 400? So of course 400 is greater. So here CD is greater than CC. Okay student, do you understood how to solve this? first the Roman numeral is given. This Roman numeral will write down in Hindu Arabic numeral and then we will compare. Okay, do you understood this? Okay, now let's do the next one. Okay students, what is given here? CC is written twice. So 100 plus 100 become here 200. Now if you see here, next is LX. The value of L is 50 and the value of X is 10. So 50 is greater than 10. So here L plus X we will do. And here I and 5 we will do. Here 5 minus 1 4, and you already know IV is written as a 4. So the answer for this Roman numeral is CC means 200. LX is 50 plus 10 60, 260, and here it is 4, 264. And if you see here CD means here what we are going to do, 500 minus 100 which is 400, and XC 100 minus 10 90, 499. See student, what we have done here, the CC we have written as a 100 plus 100 200. LX we have written as a 60 and IV we have written as a 4. Here CD means D minus C. D, the value for D is 100, the value of C is, the value of D is 500 and the value for C is 100. So we have done here 500 minus 100. Next is XC. The value for C is 100, the value for X is 10, so 100 minus 10. And last we have written as a IX. IX means 9. So your answer here is 264. Here we have written 499. Now if you see, if you want to compare 264 and 499, so here 499 is greater than 264. So the symbol CDXCIX is greater than CCLXIV. Okay, the next one is C. What is given here? D, X, X and 3 times I. So the value for D is 500. The value for X plus X become here 10, 10 become here 20. And this is what 3 means. This is 23 and this is 5. So your answer will be here 523. See here, the value for D is 500 and the value for C is 100. 500 plus 100 becomes 600. So see here, 523. 523 and 500 plus 100. 500 plus 100. So we are writing here 523. 500 plus 100 becomes 600. So if you compare these two, so of course 600 is greater than 523, and we write down answer this. Okay student, you have understood exercise 1.3. Solve this exercise once again. Thank you.